everyone, it's Tanya Atomic. I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm for November. It is a little bit more of a casual video today. I just have my glasses on and just chill and everything. And basically, my health has not been 100% for the last several months. I'm long hauling here, but I am getting better, so please don't be concerned. But, just I haven't had the energy to put into these videos, but I did want to get the Boxycharm unboxing out for you before the end of November. So, before December, I should say. Anyway, in this Boxycharm, it says Harvest. Here's the little thingy with the information on the back about the items. There's a 25% off Natasha Denona if you go to their website, and you can use the code. So that's kind of nice too. So let me just start unboxing what's in here. So the first thing is Volition. It says it is a snow mushroom water serum. Interesting. It hydrates and helps improve moisture retention, it says. Minimizes pores and redness. Minimize fine lines and wrinkles. And I do have a few of those fine line wrinkles right there. So it's a serum. And it looks like it's 1 ounce. I was going to say it looks like a pretty good amount for a serum. Not bad. Let's see what else is in this box. The next thing is Kush Waterproof Mascara. Nice. Oh, from Milk. I've heard good things about this. For Milk Makeup. I like Milk Makeup. I like what I have used by them, but I haven't used a whole lot of stuff yet. I just ran out of 2 mascaras. So I do have a backup. I do have mascara I'm using now, but this will be my new backup mascara. So looks like a pretty good amount in there. And next we have something from Beauty Bakery, and this is the Breakfast in Bed, and this is the back here. And I have a lip, like a liquid lipstick from Beauty Bakery. Oh my gosh. This is really pretty. I really like this. I really like this. I like the purpley, mauve-y colors. I'm really excited to try this. Let me know if you want me to try this in a video or anything. Yeah, it looks like there's 1, 2, 3 mattes, and the rest are shimmers or satins. That is really, really pretty. Yeah, I like the kind of romantic muted purpley colors. That is neat. I'm glad I have that. Yes, I'm very glad I have that. I'm doing like a focusing on 1 month, 1 palette right now. And so I've got a palette that my husband got me as a present that I'm focusing on, and then maybe I'll pick that one for January. I don't know yet. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, what do we have next? We have this lip oil from INT. Huh. Anyway, so we have this lip oil. I'm not super into lip oils, but if I need extra hydration, I use them throughout the day, like when I'm at home. And then we have this eye pencil 2-pack from Bodyography. And we've got Onyx, which is the name of my cat, and Black Walnut, which is what we have outside that the crows like to eat. So this is Onyx. That's just a black. Here's Black Walnut, which is like a super deep brownish, purple brownish color, which I'm assuming is like, you know, the color of the, when you take the green part off the black walnut and there's the inside and it turns black. Maybe they're going off of that color, which is cool. I love black walnuts. Okay, and then the last thing in here is what I got, because I let my Boxycharm lapse, because I wasn't really interested in the October one, and so I didn't pick it up. And then they said if I went ahead and picked up the November one, I would get an extra palette, and I did. So it's the Queen palette by Eloise, which is a good song, by the way. And here it is. I'll show you what it looks like. Ooh, very jewel toned. That's really pretty as well. I'm super happy with this box in general. When I saw what was coming in October, I wasn't that excited, but I re-upped because I was excited about this box, and I was not wrong. I really like it. Let me know your thoughts on Boxycharm, what you think about it. Do you get it? Blah, 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 all that stuff. Let me know if you want to see any of these reviewed, and or if you do any reviews or unboxing, link that below because I'm interested in that too. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.